Whether you're a consumer looking for the newest tech or an IT specialist at an enterprise that's trying to plan for future growth, performance is key.
As is knowing that a product is really going to meet your needs.
PT can help on both fronts. We give you the facts you need to inform your tech buying decisions.
Our most important resources are our experts. They understand what you're looking for in tech, and a lot of them have walked more than a few miles in IT shoes. So Corey, you just got done testing the EMC Extreme I/O storage array. Can you tell me what kind of things you found as far as performance?
Sure, we tested multiple VMs loading up the array with read and write heavy workloads. What we found was when we put on multiple virtual machines all running their own database workload, the array really handled it well. Each of the VMs didn't affect the other, meaning that it was able to scale in a linear fashion. So for users, what this means, as their application is making requests which use these databases on the Extreme I/O array, they won't need to worry that someone else's application is affecting their performance. So instead of worrying about data placement on the array or whether this application is going to be faster than the other, storage admins can simply just use the Extreme I/O array and trust it between its inline deduplication, its inline compression, and its linear scalability. They don't need to worry about those things anymore.
We have another team of experts that work with a community to create and manage some of the tools we test with. These tools are called the experts, and you can use them too, to test anything from laptops to Android phones. Eric, can you explain what a benchmark is?
Originally, a benchmark literally was a mark. It was a standard against which you measured something. Over time, it has come to mean something that evaluates.
So, what are the experts?
The experts are a set of free, supported, easy to understand, easy to use tools to consumers and to professional testers that they can use for evaluating their devices in ways that a typical person can relate to. Pretty much anybody who's got an interest in having a phone or buying a laptop or a tablet uses the experts. The Android-based experts are right off Google Play Store. Touch Expert is right off of Windows Store. Very, very easy to install, very, very easy to run. Just click a button and go.
Like any business, PT has an IT infrastructure and apps that we use to make our days go smoothly. So we understand your struggles when those systems aren't cutting it and you need something new.
We just had so many different ways of communicating with each other.
Instant messages, text messages, phone calls, notes on the fridge, email, Snapchat, Vine, snail mail. It was a mess.
So we took the initiative, for the good of the company, and we've consolidated down to one system.
So much better.
C-mail.
Becky, did you get my C-mail?
No.
All right, buddy. Take this to Sharon for me.
This isn't my mail.
Okay, send my message. Send the message.
It's going pretty well.
Pretty well, yeah. There are bugs, just like with any other new project, but it's a work in progress, and we've had a solid start.
Send.
It's scalable because as your company grows, you can just add more cats.
And highly available because they're cats. They have nothing else to do.
Except sleep.
They do sleep a lot.
There's a learning period, just like with any other new program. And there's a complexity to it.
Totally. We didn't fully anticipate certain issues. The cats do sometimes eat the messages.
But we can do this.